Sir, pati nga ako, sir. Sorry. MDG and po. Hindi, ulit pa. Tapos siya yan. Para matalo. Pa-monitor lang. Ano pa? Sir! Nakapaschedule ka sa mo! Ito, bawi ako na susunod. Bawi ako susunod. Bawi ako. Sir! Susunod na, bawi ako, promise. Bawi ako. Bawi ako susunod. Oo na. Alright, good morning everyone and welcome back to our live. This is the battle between the LaSalle Green Hills versus the DGDM of sa ating Paya Basketball League. Number 24, 4-3, no good. Number 11, look to kick out. Number 10 to number 20. But there is a foul. Two shots. 3-point play para sa LaSalle Green Hills. Number 4 from the corner 3, no good. Rebound by number 10. Number 11, basket. Number 8, kick out. Number 4, fake. Stop and pump, no good. Makakuha na number 21. Number 14. And number 24. Nasa loob. To number 8, 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 20. Pass to Lugto. Lugto. Bad pass, steal ng DGDM. Number 8, sumalaksak. Finger roll, basket. First basket para sa DGDM. Galing yan kay number 8. Number 11. To number 10, no good. Rebound by number 21. Number 24 to number 8. Number 8, 4-3. No good. Oopsie, out of bounds. Time remaining po natin, sorry. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Bola rito ng LaSalle Green Hills. Talusan setting on the play. Number 12, sidestep, no good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. May diskarte. Another steal. Bad pass na lang yan eh. Ay na ang double team. Out of bounds. Dela. Fade away shot, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni Gonzalez. Gonzalez, no good. Offensive rebound. And there is a foul. Oh, good. Second shot para kay Reyes. Basket. Steal, number 10 to Gonzalez, and there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 18, Gonzalez. Basket. Another steal, awesome Michi to Gonzalez, and one. Basket is good by Reyes. Awesome Mochi 4-3. Out of bounds. Official timeout po tayo. Official timeout. Number 2. Number 24 with the layup. There is a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 24 of DGDM. Second shot is good. Substitution. Hernandez coming in. Jersey number 8 from the side, Green Hills. Gonzalez to Talusa on top of the key. No good. And out of bounds. Esmochi. There's a corner, number 8. To Talusan. Oopsie. Out of bounds, steal by Esmochi. Esmochi, no good. Offensive rebound by number 15. Hernandez to number 18. Talusan. The guy is the corner for 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. The number 2. The guy is the corner. Ayan na, sumalaksak. Nabitawan. Steal. Makakuha ng Lasal. Pass to Talusan. The guy kay Hernandez. Oh, there's a foul. Paras and Valencia coming in. And shooting on the line, jersey number 8, Hernandez. First shot is good. Second shot by Hernandez. 2 for 2. Time remaining 3 minutes and 43 seconds. 45 seconds rather. Ito na ang full court defense. Bola ng DGDM. Oops. Hindi ka na magawan. Number 27. To number 14. Nagay sa loob. Good defense para sa Lasal Green Hills. Talusan. Pass to Talusan, setting on the play. Paras. Back to Hernandez. Talusan to Paras sa loob. No good. Rebound ng DGDM. Number 2. There's the foul. timeout. Official scores 12-3 in favor of the La Salle Green Hills. And maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng from especially La Salle Green Hills parents na nag-invite po sa para to cover this game. Pensa dito ang La Salle Green Hills. Nasa corner. Jump shot. Uy, naawa pa. Talusan. Pass to Esmochi. Esmochi. Driving lane. No good. Rebound, makakuha number 15. And there's a foul. Cruz on the free throw area, number 15. Time remaining 2 minutes and 4 seconds sa ating first quarter. Hernandez. Pass to Talusan. Back to Paras. 4-3. 3-point by Hernandez. Both teams under penalty situation. Shooting on the line, jersey number 2. Second shot. Number 2 basket. And 9 with a score. Naman pa rin tayo dito. Talusan. Reverse of foul. Good. Second shot. Basket by De Guzman. Number 45 using the glass. Basket. Number 15. Bad pass. Time remaining almost 1 minute. or 1 minute rather. Talusan. Paso de Guzman. To Paras sa loob. Using the glass. Basket is good by Paras. Shooting on the line. No good. Number 14 to number 27, back to number 14. Steal by number 17. Pass to Paras. 12 seconds remaining. 9, 7, spin. 3 seconds. 2, 1, and there's a block. End of the first quarter, official score 20-9 in favor of LaSalle Green Hills. Tayo daw na sa ating second quarter. Back to the ball game. We're live here at Xavier School. The battle between LaSalle Green Hills versus the DGBM at Apaya Basketball League. Ibanez to Logo. De Guzman, stop and bomb, no good. Oh, there's the foul. Number 15 on the free throw area basket. Second shot is good. 2 for 2. 10-20. Pabas 10 lamang ng ating LaSalle Green Hills. Number 45. Tumira, no good. Rebound. Ayun na, DGDM, number 8. Pass to number 2. Number 2. There's a foul. Number 8. Bigay kay number 2. Number 2. Cross. Backdoor pass at the elbow 3. No good. Rebound. Makakuha number 2. Nabitawan. And there's the foul. Number 27, handoff to number 8. Number 8. Number 8, nabitawan. Number 8 with the spin. 24-second shot clock violation. To pass number 7 for 3, no good. Offensive rebound, kick out to Lug to for 3, in and out. There is a foul. Number 4. 8-second shot clock violation. This man to Lugto. Lugto, kick out. Makuha ni Lugto. Number 10. Number 15, jump shot, no good. Rebound. Ayun na ang Lasal. Side step, kick out. To number 12 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Ayun na. Number 15. There's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 15. No good. Second shot, number 15 is good. To number 20 with a hook shot. Ayan na, ang double team. Number 9, no good. Rebound by number 12. Ayan na. Oy, what a hang time. And one. By Gonzalez. Or 3-point play para kay Gonzalez. Gonzalez basket. Another steal. What an extra pass. Ooh. Outlet pass. Number 4. Basket yan. Ayan na ang Lasal. Crossover, stop and pump. Number 10, no good. Ibang by number 24 to number 4. Uy, naka-recover si number 4 to number 8. Setting on the screen, spin. Floater, wala. Rebound by Gonzalez. Nabitawan. Naka-recover si Logo. Outlet pass, too strong. Official score po natin, 25-13. Four minutes and 48 seconds. Okay, sa corner, 4-3, no good. Oh, what a finger roll by Luke. Ayan na, number 24. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 24. Ooh. Technical, both teams. Number 25 and number 8 technical, double technical. First shot by number 24 is good. Second shot is good. 27-15. Number 18. Pinasa loob. No good. Rebound by number 24. There's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 8. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Gonzalez. Low to pass to, backdoor pass to Smochi. Smochi with a strong drive, drop pass to Gonzalez. Basket. Official score is 29-8-15. Lamang pa rin dito ang ating LaSalle Green Hills. With the time remaining 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Dito. Sa inyo mamaya, dito. Dito, di ba? Alright, back to the ball game. Number 9. Sorry, that's number 8. Switch. Number 8 nakalusot. Number 8. Oh! Blocked there by Gonzalez. Oh, sorry, that's Gulyab. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. To number 24. Number 24 to number 4. Number 24 from elbow 3. 3-point by number 24 of DGDM. Esmochi sumalaksak using the glass. Basket yan. Esmochi. There's a foul. Nagigirian ng dalawa. Esmochi and number 8. That is Tiongo. Number 8, first shot on the free throw, no good. Two minutes and 16 seconds. Basket is good. 31-19. Mahabol na dito ang DGDM. Log to. Pass to Gonzalez. Pinasok na rin dito si Hernandez. Hernandez nakalusot. Ooh. There's a foul. Shooting on the line na jersey number 8, Hernandez. No good. Second shot para kay Hernandez. Wala. Rebound number 24. And up to number 4 to number 8. Number 8, step back. Top of the key. Yes, sir. Ayan na. Baba na sa single digit. 9-point lead para sa LaSalle Green Hills. Logo, hand up. Pass to Gonzalez. To number 27. Number 27, steal. 3 against 2. Out of bounds. Last touch. Time remaining 1 minute and 3 seconds. Yan naman natin ang huddle. Oh, sorry, that's 9 seconds. (31-22). Tingnan natin ang huddle ng LaSalle Green Hills dito. to the ball game. Bola dito ng DGDM. 1 minute and 9 seconds. Tingnan natin ang depensa ng Lasal. Gets the 3. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ng DGDM. Yonko. Binigay sa loob. Number 14. Binigay sa corner. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Lugto. Lugto looking for his teammate. Pass to Golyab. Uy! Backcourt violation. Last 44 seconds. Number 24 to number 14. To number 8. Back to number 4. Pass to number 8. 24 seconds shot clock violation. Timeout. Lasal Green Hills. Time remaining last 30 seconds. Back to the ball game. 31-22 ang ating dalahan. Lugto with the ball. Back to Hernandez. Golyab. Spin. Steal ng DGDM. To number 8. Number 8. Spin. Block by Gonzalez. Ayun na. Over number 11. And that's the end of our first half official score. 31-22 in favor of the Lasal Green Hills. Galit si coach dito. Gets the foul. Alright, magbabalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. For the meantime, magpuputol muna tayo nating live at magbabalik tayo para sa third quarter.